Hello everyone, my name is Sagar, and in this video we'll see how we can correct a product receipt or cancel the product receipt in a purchase order. So what I will do, I will simply create a PO, we'll confirm our PO, then we will post the product receipt. Now assume I will pick my 20 quantities. Okay, first of all I will do the product receipt for all my 20 quantities, but I say this is wrong. Instead of 20 I only received 15. Then what I will do at the end, I will say only I even do not receive 15 and I want to cancel it completely. And we'll see how inventory is changed during this process. So let's go into system and see. So I will go to my procurement and sourcing. Here I will expand my purchase order and I will go to my purchase order form. Okay, and here what I will do, I will click on new and I will select a vendor, and let me say vendor as this Acme Supply, and I will click OK. And now purchase order is ready and my vendor is also ready. Now I need to add a product here. So I've created a product that I'm going to use. So I will go to my inventory management. Here I will go to my inquiries and reports. I will open my on hand list and I will search my D365 product. And I will go to dimension. I will click on my site and warehouse and I will save this setup as well. Okay, now what I will do, you see we have 10 quantities available here. So in our example we were taking 20, right? So I will say 10 here and I will say 10 here and I will say 8 here. Okay, so first of all I will create purchase order of this 2 and 21, 2 site and 21 warehouse. So I will add my product here. I will go to my product. I will pick my site as 2 and my warehouse as 21. Yeah, 2 and 21. And let me save this. Now I will change my quantity. As I was interested in 10 quantities, I will click on 10. Okay. And now what I will do, I will confirm my purchase order. And as soon as my confirm will be done, you will see this will be on ordered. Okay, our status is changed to confirmed. I will refresh here, and now when I will refresh here, you see the ordered one is 10. Okay, and now further what I will do, I will simply I will do receive. Okay, I will click on my receipt list. Here I will say order quantity, I will select this only and I will click OK here. I'm going to do a receipt and then I will generate my product receipt here. Now here I will say this has product receipt 123. I will click OK. This would be the invoice number which your vendor will give. Okay, now when I will refresh this, you will see your physical quantities change because you have received these materials. Okay, but let's say this you need to make correction here. So what you can do, you can go to your product receipt and you can correct it. Okay, as you instead of 10 you only received 8. So then here is your quantity ordered, here is actual quantity you received. So you change it to 8 and click OK. So it will again generate your product receipt. Okay, and this has been generated, and now when you will see inventory, your inventory is reduced by 2 because you corrected your product receipt. you can go to lines and see you ordered 10, you received 8 only. Let me again go to product receipt. And now what I will do, now assume this was the false information we received. We do not receive any item, like the worker wrongly received these items. So what I can do, I can cancel this and I will say yes. Okay, now if you see this product receipt PR123, that is when we provided the number right here, that is cancelled. And now this 18 should remove and it should turn out to be 10. Yeah, here you see like those 10 quantities, like the 2 quantities initially and then 8 quantities are removed because we cancel this product receipt. Further, what you can do, let me come back. Okay, now you can again do your product receipt like with your correct information here. And here if you will go here, so you will see order is, but you do not receive anything. There was no amount, nothing, like everything is blank here. So this is how you can correct or cancel your product receipt in your purchase order process in D365 Finance and Operation. Thank you for watching this video.